In this video, we're going to learn how to make honey glazed baked salmon, an excellent and sweet alternative to pan-seared recipes. For this recipe, you'll need 1 salmon fillet of about 6 ounces or 170 grams, 2 tablespoons of honey. You can substitute it with maple syrup if you prefer, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of miso paste. Since miso paste is not that common in every country, we've placed a miso paste recommendation in the description section below. It'll give your dish an incredible umami savory flavour that goes really well with the sweetness of the honey. 1 teaspoon of whole mustard, a piece of ginger peeled, for garnish, sesame seeds and chopped scallions. Directions: in a bowl, combine the honey or maple syrup, the soy sauce, the brown sugar, the miso paste, and the whole mustard. Grate the ginger over the mixture. Mix well. Place the salmon fillet in the marinade and massage it into the fillet. With a knife, poke a few holes in the fillet to get the marinade in. Let it marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Take the salmon from the fridge and place it in a baking tray. Pour the marinade over the salmon. Place the baking tray in the oven and let it bake for about 10 minutes. To make sure you're getting the temperature you want, poke the salmon and compare its firmness to the fleshy part of your palm. We've made another video explaining how to test the doneness of protein. The link is on the description below. If the doneness of the salmon is to your liking, plate it. Sprinkle the salmon with sesame seeds. Here we've garnished it with chopped scallions and microgreens. Serve it with the sides of your choice. Here on our channel we have other salmon recipes. The links are on the description. As always, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, you might also like one of the suggestions we've picked for you. Also subscribe for more. We upload a new video every week discussing some of the most asked questions on and offline. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments. It might become our next video. See you next time.